He's fighting.
Uh-oh.
Here, Mike.
They're not turkeys, I would hope not.
Are they? Well,
That's a roadrunner. Oh, and that's a hawk.
yeah, it was a hawk that I was.
No. Alright guys, you can't see it, but we got a hawk sitting right there on the wall. He's going after the roadrunner that's running up the hill here. It's okay, guy. Hey guys, it's Mike, Susan, and Christina. We're here in Beaumont, California. We're here at Bogart Park. Here, just do a quick little overnighter, checking it out. So far, it's pretty cool. They got a sign here that I've never seen before. Don't feed the bears. So maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe we'll see some bears. Here we go, guys. We've got some more wildlife. Can't get too close. We have a beehive right there in the middle of the screen. That black spot on the tree. Yeah, we're just out walking around, exploring the campground. Restroom says it's closed, but it also says it's opened. They've got a pond here. They're in the process of filling it up right now. It's going to be stocked. I'm not sure it's going to be stocked with, but they do say they are going to stock it. Small pond, but you at least do a little fishing in it once they get fish in it. Okay guys, look what we're having. We're having some better cheddars for dinner on a wood fire on the, can't remember the name of the company that makes this grill, but it works, and it works pretty good. Guys, not that you can see much, but I'm out here doing a little night hike. There's the moon. Pretty dark out here. I'm using my Bushnell Pro 400 lumen flashlight. Looks pretty good. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. Didn't do much video last night. It was 4th of July and it was sort of loud here. A lot of people were doing little parties. Campsite. It's actually a pretty nice little site. Site number 1 at Bogart Park. We have water right here in the intersection, which is not the greatest place. Camp Post is right up on the hill here. But this is what we're having for breakfast. We're having sausage. And my battery's gonna be dead in just a second. So. Hash browns, and eggs. And it's that Sunday morning, and we're just hanging out. And it was just a quick overnighter. Same gear. Susan's new Therm-a-Rest. Worked out pretty good last night. Didn't leak. We got this nice little something falling up the tank. But yeah. Normal TREKOLOGY, my ALUFT 2.0 and my UL80 air pad. Haven't had any problems with it. Almost a year now. Outdoor Vital quilts. A few years old. Getting ready to leave. It's our site. Cleaner than what it was when we got here. It's a nice little site. It's got 2 grills. Enough area for a few tents. We were there. Christina was over there. We have at least 2 more spots right here. So we're gonna take a drive through the campground and check out the rest of it.